Have you ever looked at your car in the sunlight and noticed a web of swirls or light scratches? Well, that's where paint correction comes in. Hang tight, we're going to dive into what paint correction is, what it isn't, and why it's a game changer for your vehicle. Hi, I'm Tim Kennedy, owner of Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia, and welcome to Ask Divergent, where we seek to empower those wanting to be the heroes of protecting the look and functionality of their automotive investment. So what is paint correction? Well, paint correction is the process of machine polishing to remove swirls, light scratches, and other defects from your car's surface. What is the goal? Well, it's simply to restore and make your paint pop with a high gloss finish. Oftentimes, it's a labor-intensive process that can take many hours depending on the labor of correction that you need. So whether your car has years of wear or just needs a refresh, paint correction can transform its appearance. Now, what are the paint correction options? Well, at Ask Divergent, we offer a range of paint correction services tailored to your car's needs and your preferences. We begin with a light polish. What this does is it serves mostly as a color and shine enhancement, but doesn't really focus on scratches and removing them, but it does provide a noticeable improvement. Next step would be a single stage polish. This targets both the color and shine enhancement plus a 60 to 80% of the imperfections are removed, delivering a dramatic transformation on that paint. So the step up from that would be multi-stage paint correction, which is a meticulous multi-step process aimed at achieving near perfection in your car's finish. We call it being show ready. So what can paint correction not fix? So while it's a powerful tool, it's not a cure-all. So here's what it won't fix. Let's say you have deep gouges in the finish that cut through the paint on down, possibly even to the metal. It won't fix that. The other are rock chips. Those are going to require another repair method. How about cracks in the paint or clear coat failure? Polishing will not fix those either. So even if some imperfections remain, the results of paint correction will still elevate your car's appearance with a brilliant clarity and gloss, much like what you see here. So is paint correction just for older cars? Absolutely not. So brand new cars can also benefit from that. Vehicles straight from the factory often only achieve about 85 to 90% of their true potential. But with paint correction, we can refine that finish and unlock its true beauty. So whether it's a daily driver or some exotic sports car, polishing is key. So beyond paint, what else can be corrected? Well, paint correction isn't limited to the paint surfaces. We can also polish things like your B-pillars. We can remove those swirls and restore shine. How about carbon fiber? We can also do that. So whether it's exterior or interior, polishing dramatically enhances their appearance. Now that paint is perfected, it's time to protect it. This is a step that oftentimes we leave out. We take something, we restore it, we get it looking new again, and we just leave it. You want to lock that in and make it last. Well, here's how. So once your car's paint correction is complete, it's essential to protect the finish. How? Well, here's what we recommend. One, paint protection film, also called PPF. What this does is it shields your car from rock chips and other damage. Ceramic coating. What this does is it locks in that polished look with an added gloss and protection. Or consider a combination of the two, where we apply the PPF to the high impact areas and then we ceramic coat the PPF and the remaining part of the vehicle, which makes maintenance a lot easier. If you've got questions, we'd love to hear them and we want to hear from you soon. Here's how you can submit those questions, askdivergent.com, or you can call us directly at 678-310-3153. We're here to help you become the hero of protecting the look and the functionality of your automotive investment. So ask how, ask now, ask Divergent.